People think nobody lives here, but welcome to my home. And yes, I'm real. And no, I don't bite. I vlog. 18, walk 10 kilometers, drink ice cold glacier water. No gym needed. Sometimes humans come tracking. They see me, then suddenly they don't. This is my house. No rent, no neighbors, just ice. Today's special, snow soup. Extra cold, very fresh. Humans call me a monster, but I just needed Wi-Fi. I've watched the world for thousands of years, but nobody ever watched me back. Oh, one more thing. This was a little bit about me. If you want to connect or just watch my days up here, subscribe. I'll be here tomorrow, probably.